Ayan. So, isang malaking awesome and big shoutout sa fiancé ka, nakauwi na. And thank you so much sa mga nandito agad, guys. Ayusin ko lang yung live natin para makita ko yung mga comments niyo. Big shoutouts kay Ben TV. Big shoutouts kay ay nga pala, kay Ben TV, kung hindi nyo pa naayos yung mga YouTube channel nyo. Hindi lang pala kay Ben TV. Okay. Tignan nyo yung YouTube nyo kung naka-sync in with your Discord. Pag hindi nyo ma-view yung mga nilalaman natin. So, we will be having a new update. Pero plano pa lang, hindi ko pa naman i-release. Pero many of you guys will be losing their subscription with us if mapasa to. Pero nasa isip ko pa lang siya, guys. Okay, but yeah. Teka lang guys, ayusin ko lang tong natin. Yung title. Teka lang. Ayun, kamusta kayo, guys? Kamusta kayo? Kamusta yung trade nyo? Okay. Ito, 71, 72K. Yan. So, okay. So, linaw ng boses mo. Malinaw naman talaga boses ko. Okay. So, big shoutouts kila King Kong Dantes. Hindi, shoutouts muna natin yung mga members, yung mga nagbabayad dito. Big shoutouts kila PJVB. Yan. Kila Asen. Big shoutouts kila Toshi. Kila Claude. Big shoutouts sa inyo. Ano pa ba? Yan. Big shoutouts sa kila Toshi. Jifal, Jifal do ng slide. Anong dio? Ano yung do? Ano yung do? Ano yung do? Ano yung do? Anyways, yan guys, kung hindi nyo pa ako napafollow sa Twitter, guys, follow nyo ako. And this is one of my recent post natin. So, dalawa lang kasi pagpipilian mo dyan, guys, eh. Okay, takot ka, gusto mo ibenta, di ba? Benta mo, sige lang. Okay, eh ngayon, nag-71,900 tayo. Hindi natin hawak yung bolang kristal, eh. Okay? Pipili ka lang ng takot mo dyan. Kung parehas kang takot, di mo talaga makontrol. Pipili ka na lang ng takot. Ng takot mo, I mean. Takot ka talaga, duwag ka talaga. Wala tayong magagawa. Ganun talaga. Kung bago ka lang sa market, ganun talaga. Okay? Kahit ako tinatamaan ng takot. Pero, you have to control it. Rule over it. So, hindi mo matanggal. Gawa ka ng isa pang takot. Kung takot ka na magdadump yung market, then gawa ka ng isang takot. Paano kung mag 80K right away? Or paano kung mag 100K? Or paano kung matulad to sa 2017 pump? Parang ganun. So, yun yung isa sa atin sa mga post. And I want you guys to please help me out. Nagmamakaawa ko sa inyo, guys, na i-share nyo at i-like nyo itong ating live natin. And if makita nyo ako dito sa may sa inyong mga shorts, live shorts, okay, please, I want you guys to hit that like, and of course, go to my live mismo para makontrol nyo yung inyong live mismo, pati yung inyong yung linaw nung nyo, ng live nyo. Kasi kung hindi nyo makikita yung hindi nyo makikita yung inyong charting. Okay, so yan, big shoutouts kay Loki Sleek, kay King Kong Dantes, and kay Gerard Rapliza. Yan. March 18 sasabog na lahat ng AI coins. Let's see. Okay. TP when happy. Hindi nagtutugma yung mga sinasabi mo, sir. Yan. So guys, huwag kayo magti-TP when happy, okay? Huwag kayong driven by emotions. Pag driven by emotions, pinifeed nyo lang din yung sarili nyo na matakot sa market. So, yun yung opposite eh. Happy ka o sad ka. So if your market is driven by emotions, hindi ka makapag-isip. Hindi mo magagawa ng paraan yung mga ano mo. So, if katulad kayo ng mga nagbenta ng 69, 70k, etc., hindi kayo nag-hold, okay, imbis na, or kung mag-TP kayo kasi because you have the document they give you, then you wanna flow that 10% pabalik doon sa mga assets na tingin nyo magpapump. Okay? Okay, so I want you guys to really reassess everything. Okay? Isipin nyo maigi. So I already switched my sentiments. Then doon sa ang proof niyan, okay, even before that video, ang proof niyan is yung members live na ginawa ko, yung para sa mga members lang. Okay? So right now we have a lot of things to talk about actually. So sa mga nandito, okay, please, last ko na sasabihin guys, please do like and share. We have 21 viewers. Do not forget to like and share and subscribe this video so that we will be able to reach the people who are really interested in cryptocurrencies and yung mga gustong baguhin yung kanilang, you know, how they think about the cryptocurrency market. But yun, may nahanap lang akong data actually. So I want to talk about mostly about our current market situation. Kung titingnan natin yung charting natin ngayon, let's talk about our charting, okay? So, ito nga pala, dito sa members only live, ito yung mga levels na tinitingnan natin, okay? So, sobrang nagiging strict na yung mga levels natin kasi ang pinaka initial buy dapat natin is 59, okay? I'm looking at 59 right now, although we have fractal data which is itong ghost data natin. Okay, itong ghost data natin, masyadong nakikita ko na pwedeng mag-play out. Pero syempre, most of these are automatic reactions. We have a lot of down wicks dito na nagpapakita na pwedeng hindi dapat nangyari to. Pero since we are seeing a lot of these same actions right now, if we're going to go 3 days time frame, yan, makikita natin yung accuracy netong chart na to. But right now, the only difference is yung data na nakikita ko ngayon versus dun sa data no 2017. So yun yung ipe-present ko sa inyo. Ngayon 72 na tayo. Saan na yung susunod? Okay, marami nagtatanong yan. Saan na tayo susunod? Ano nang gagawin natin? And ano yung magiging diskarte natin? Of course, for short term, long term, etc. Okay? Hello, 85k na sabi ni J Brothers. Fish price. Any tips? Okay, so wala akong ititips sa inyo guys. Tuturuan ko kayo guys. Okay, tuturuan ko kayo ng mga nalaman ko tsismis. Okay, hindi ako magtuturo dito ng accurate information. Puro tsismis lang ibibigay ko sa inyo guys. Okay, mga balitang tsismis. So, mid-cap coins ka na kesa mag-buy BTC. So, let's see what will be the rotation. But right now, everything is under BTC. We have a lot of data. Hindi ko na kailangan ipakita yan sa inyo. And ang pinaka-initial data na pwede ko ipa-research sa inyo is yung ating BlackRock ETF. So, yung BlackRock BTC, yung IBTC or yung BTC ETF ng BlackRock, which is may ticker na IBTC, ang purpose nun is whenever there's someone is trying to buy the ETF itself, the ETF mismo or BlackRock mismo, bumibili sila ng BTC. So, the more na bumibili ng ETF, the more na bumibili sila ng BTC. But that doesn't mean that the person who bought the ETF, okay, holds a BTC. Okay, it's just like what happened with the GBTC. So the question is when it is gonna happen, or is it gonna happen? That's the main question there. So 85k is the next goal. So pataas na pataas yung goals ng ibang tao na lalo ng mga talagang nanonood sa market. Okay, so we have the usual targets dati, 69 all-time high. Ngayon, nag-72 na, alam niyo, doon ko nakikita yung trigger or ano yung pwedeng maging play out natin dito sa market. So, now let's look at the market first, okay? Keep on commenting para makita ko yung mga ano nyo. Daming chismis sa ETF, may narinig ako sa Lana ETF EOS. So, let's talk about ETH muna. So, meron akong ginawang document about the ETH ETF. So, baka magustuhan nyo yun guys, pero hindi ko i-release for public. I want the members to be able to read and assess and dissect this data kasi pinaghirapan ko siya. Kanina ko lang din to ginawa. ang dami ko nabasa about ETH. Okay, boss, tignan mo yung rainbow chart ng BTC. Nasa yellow na siya, pero nalagpasan na niya yung all-time high parang may something. So, titingnan natin yan. We have 31 viewers, guys. Ang baba ng ating shares. We have 5 shares. Then, meron tayong kokonting likes lang din. So, please do not forget to like, to share, and to subscribe, okay? If you haven't subscribed here in our channel. Okay. So, let's talk about the everything here. Okay? So, kung makikita nyo, we are the current situation ng samot-saring mga news eh. So we have Fed, we have cut rates. Meron tayong tinatawag na samot-saring mga news, official news from big outlets for finance news, etc. Meron tayong CPI, meron tayong inaabangan na sentiment about how the market will react to the economy if we produce another or we print another money. But let's cut the noise first. We talk about numbers. Let's talk about numbers. Let's talk about technical analysis first. Okay, so let's talk about large time frame muna. So I have this one indicator here that was able to predict the bottoms. Okay, so far in history, in 3 bear cycle history, it was able to accurately predict yung pinaka-bottom at yung last time that you will be able to buy the premium price of BTC. Okay, dun mo malalaman na okay, rotation is going to mid-cap already after this process or after this what is going on with the BTC. Okay, sabihin natin, now we have this spike here in the market. Sabihin natin 2015, we were able to determine where the bottom for this market. So nalakihan ko siya ng konti so that you guys will be able to see. So naglagay din ako ng time base and inexplain ko na to sa mga members pa lang. Okay, sa members lang actually. And I hope they were able to assess and like dissect this and consume yung mga information na binigay ko. So same thing with the this market. Now, the reason why I'm saying this is because I want you guys to analyze yung hirap na ginagawa natin dito just to find where we at the current market. So, kasi pag-usapan natin yung short time frame, pero let's go with our large time frame muna, yung higher time frame. We are looking at the 3 days. So sabi dito, I tried to put some Fibonacci's as well. So yung Fibonacci's natin, nilagay ko yung 0.382 natin as top, then the current bottom as the usual 100%. Okay, then every time that we pump, we always get the stop at 0.618, which is okay. Evidently, we always see that at the diamond pattern. Pag nasa bottom na yung market, nakakita ka ng diamond pattern, you will see that the all-time high for that diamond pattern is the 0.618 from the drop. Okay, ewan ko nagigets nyo or na-imagine nyo yung sinasabi ko. Okay? I want you guys to assess as well what happened after that. After natin ma-reject sa 618, whether this is just a moving average for this pi cycle top, wag yung pansinin muna. Okay? Wag yung muna yung pansinin. Once we got up to the 618, we were heavily rejected by 0.382. It's because that's the all-time high. Okay, good. Then we have some sharp rejections. Okay? And if we're gonna zoom in, it looks like this is what is happening right now to the market. We have spike, we have dump, then we just flush out whatever the longs and the bears, and we retrace the moving average. Okay, now we're seeing a very good breakout. So sabihin natin, few candles here, we have a very small candle, 2 small candles tried to broke out. Then the next candle became bearish, we went down, then we got up within 3 days, etc. Then we close above. Okay, we close above but a red candle still, okay, or a bearish candle. Okay, single candle, sabihin natin red candle to. Tapos biglang yung sumunod is a heavy volatility, tapos malaking volume. Okay, so now the reason why I'm talking about this is because it looks like we're resonating this action. So ang tanong, gaano kalaki yung drop na nangyari from, sabihin natin yung from the all-time high, papunta dun lang sa may Fibonacci. So that's 6.61. I-type nyo itong 6.61 so I can remember. During March 2017, we have a sharp drop of 6.61 back to the all-time high Fibonacci of 0.382. Okay? Then, if susumahin natin lahat ng drop, okay, we had a 33.44%. Okay, hindi ko yan dinoktor, sinakto ko lang. Okay, 33.44 or 22, o yan, 33.44. Okay, so now, if we will be able to see, after natin mag-drop ng 3, 6, 9, 12, 14 days, 15 days, okay, we were able to also get backed up. Okay, another indicator natin dito, nagpakita na, okay, we're actually below the line where it should be comfortable for you to get into this market. Okay, now, we were able to do so, okay, and now, we're trying to retest. But, nag-ABC lang tayo doon, pero we have this sharp candle. Okay, that begs you to ask, why did this happen? Dapat pa nangyari yun? Okay, so, pwedeng dapat mangyari or hindi, etc. But according to the moving averages, we should be really doing it. Okay, if we're trying to retrace some of the key levels, sabihin natin na to, 618. Okay, so ilang beses natin tinry, pero we did a low, higher low, then, ewan ko kung anong low to. Pero kung i-zoom in natin to, doon ko masasabi na, okay, we should not be doing this. We should be like ABC here, tapos tsaka natin ma-breakout, tapos retest. And we did. Yun yung nangyari. But I don't know what happened here. Hindi ko mahanap yung news, but I think it's just market reaction trying to sweep all the bears to convert them into a bull. Or kung baga, ito yung sinasabi na sa sentiment na, oh guys, this is your last chance to get in. If you don't get in, you will lose a lot of opportunities, and it did. Okay, then binutasan natin dire-diretso at na-stop out tayo dito sa may zero. Okay, doon tayo nagkaroon ng isa pang candle, which is to give it a healthy retrace. Ito yung tinatawag na reset. Okay, reset, ABC ulit tayo. So A, B, C, D, E. So na-fulfill natin yung levels hanggang 0.68 or which is the sub 0.618. Okay, now going back to our next cycle, which is yung sabihin natin ito, capitulation ng mga banks, nag-pump ng 2019, and we are doing the same thing again, which is sabihin natin current date right now. Okay, we did a slight push up to the market, showing that we can really beat the all-time high. Ito yung all-time high. Then meron tayong candle din na medyo parang sumisilip. Okay, so now sumisilip yung candle natin. Okay, now that sumisilip yung candle natin dito, doon tayo nagkaroon ng sharp drop ulit pabalik. Although we did try, then nagkaroon na tayo agad ng sharp drop, we didn't even touch the moving average. So doon ko naisip na, okay, every time that we do this, we will be paying the market in a long term, in a future, pero hindi pa agad. Okay, if we do this, it will be a sharp drop. Okay, bakit? Saan ko nakikita yung data na yan? Saan ko nakita yung technical information na yan? Kung ganun ba talaga? Okay, so nasa Elliott yun, sa Elliott rules yun. So if gaano kalaki yung impulse na yun, yun din yung impulse na ibabalik dapat for that market. So ganun din yung rules ng FBG, ganun din yung rules ng OB, yung sa mga nanood ng previous lives. Okay, so sabi dito ni Gardo Sama, but tingnan mo boss yung order blocks sa weekly time frame sa previous all-time high. Then, tignan mo yung previous weekly boss. Ano masasabi nyo dyan? Weekly time frame boss sa previous all-time high. Tapos yung kahapon na print weekly, hindi niya nalagpasan. Close niya ako waiting pa rin ako sa next candle for next. So, we'll talk about that. So, we're still in the 2020. Okay, so na 2020, we did the very same actions that we did noong 2017. Okay, nung nag-pump tayo dito at the same level. So, rejected din tayo sa all-time high. Okay, then what happened is we tried to go up further. Tapos, na-reach natin yung levels na eto. Pero, wala tayong retrace doon. Napaaga yung retrace natin sa 0.236. ABC na tayo dito. Pero, ang kinagandahan lang nito is we tried to push a little bit more. Okay, because everyone's like asking for a new thing for the market, and we did. Okay, so sabihin nila na okay, this is a very new thing to the market. Okay, kasi nung previous times, okay, nung tinry natin, we went above the 618. Okay, so now ang daming natatakot. Okay, so ang dami nagsasabi na this time it's gonna drop again. Okay, if we reach the 618, magda-drop na yon. Pero dito sa times ng 2017 hindi, 'di ba? So ngayon sinasabi nila this time it will drop, and it did. Okay, so yun parang nanaig yung takot, and because there's no more volume. But what the market really what happened here is max marketing. Yun yung napansin ko dito. More good news and adoption. Mini adoption. Hindi ko naman sasabing pure adoption. Okay, kasi ang talagang adoption natin is this 2017. Evident naman yan eh. Evident talaga tong pump na to. This is adoption. Okay? And in-explain ko din yan dun sa live natin kung bakit siya naging adoption, because most of the really smart money nakapasok na nung 2017 pa lang. Okay, now, let's talk about the current situation. Okay, nag-dump na. Then, pasok pa rin siya sa checklist, guys. Okay? Okay, pasok pa rin siya sa checklist. Pasok ng indicator, sinabi niya na ito na yung dump. Then, pasok din tayo nung pinredict natin na 18K is the last time that we will be able to see the market at the bottom. And it did. So, now, we fast forward, nandito na tayo ngayon sa market na to. Okay, let's talk about this one. Okay, lumalagpas na tayo, sobra na yung lagpas natin. Anytime ba, pwede tayo malaglag. Okay, 72K na tayo. So the question is, if we break 73K, that's the time that I will say market alts will heavily react to the market. Yan yung masasabi ko sa inyo, guys. Huwag kayong matakot na bumalik sa market if we have a strong close above the 73K. Yun lang yung masasabi ko for now. Okay, for now. Because that's what the numbers are trying to say to me. Okay, that's what the market is trying to tell us. And now I'm seeing that we are being heavily rejected to the 72K without even any other clues. Why are we getting rejected here? Okay? But the question is, ano ba talaga nag-pump sa atin sa 72K? Okay? So, ito yung tinatanong nila. Di ba sinabi ko March reset and hindi nangyari. Okay, I wanna give you that data why hindi siya nangyari. Okay, kasi ayaw naman sabihin na, guys, okay, mali ako, pero iwan ko na lang din yung data. Alam niyo yan. So, I wanna give you the data why it did not. Okay, it's because pure sentiment. Okay, I will tell you pure sentiment. I wanna tell you pure sentiment is because yung mga nahanap ko is pure sentiment. Okay, kahit magbigay ako sa inyo ng fundamentals, magbigay ako sa inyo ng news, magbigay ako sa inyo ng mga data charts katulad nito, Fibonacci's, etc., mga indicators, etc. How I see it is market is heavily reacting right now. Alam mo yan, everything is not aligning already. Okay, the market is so greedy. Okay, wherein everything should be retracing. Walang nangyaring ganon. Okay, we just keep on flushing out all the bears, and we keep on reaching higher highs. Okay, so pag lows ang piniprint natin, we keep on printing higher lows. Okay, so every time we see 68K, we keep on supporting 68K for some reason. Katulad kagabi. Although nag-drop siya kanina ng konti, no? We have the 767, pero that was really quick. Okay? Kumbaga nasa trabaho pa ako nun, guys. Tapos biglang pagbalik ko, what the hell? When I got home, it's already 69K. Sabi ko, what's going on here? Now, nagbasa agad ako, guys. Nagbasa ako agad. So after ko ginawa yung Denkun updates ng Ethereum, why the market is going to be so bullish after this retracement, I think Denkun is gonna save this market from this capitulating potential ng federal government. Okay, with how the Dencon is trying to process everything with their finance and inviting everyone to put in a lot of money in cryptocurrency, and how easy it is going to be for the L2s to support Ethereum. I think we are okay. I think we are in the verge where a mothership is already trying to tell everyone, hop in. Okay, ito na, Noah's Ark. Pasok kayo. Okay? Kung gusto mo maligtas, pumasok ka na ngayon na. Ito na yung last chance mo. Yun yung sinasabi nung project na to. Okay? For Ethereum. But the question is, now we have May Ethereum. Okay? May. Pag sinabi ko May Ethereum, this is the ETF. We're talking about the ETFs. Okay? Everything is reaction, guys. Okay? Even this research, this is very hard to understand. But the market is just keep on reacting and reacting and reacting. And everyone's like positive reaction. Okay? Wherein it doesn't make sense already. When I say it doesn't make sense, is because I found the fundamental data. Sabi dito na pag ang market nag-cut rates, it should be bearish. Okay, it should be bearish. But the market is keep on saying like, no, it's bullish. Because why? Cryptocurrency alone is above the bullish line. Okay, we are in the greed phase, super greed actually. Nasa the overheating greed na tayo, guys. Na one mistake, okay, one trap lang, we can spark a new trend in the market. Okay, so katulad nun, most of the bears right now are looking for 15-minute break cycle or break trend. Okay, so kahapon si Finding Frenzy was telling us, na-broke na yung trend ng 15 minutes. Pero if you zoom out mo, it's super strong. Lagyan mo ng Fibonacci, makikita mo na super strong. Ayaw niya ma-break yung mga levels, or ayaw niyang tapakan yung mga levels na, this can spark a bearish trend already. Okay, but the question is, are we set for a bloody April? I will tell you no. Okay? Ito yung rason. Kaisa-isang data lang na pwede mag-support. Okay, medyo natagalan ng aralin kasi dami kong babasahin, guys. Okay. So, pero I hope you guys read this. I hope you guys listen to this. Okay, kung hindi nyo pa nalalike or subscribe tong channel natin, guys, mag-like and subscribe kasi hindi madali yung ginagawa natin, and I'm paying a lot. Okay, a lot of data just to get this information, and paying a lot of websites just to get this information and get to you ng libre. Okay, so the only payment that I'm asking for is share me to your mom, share me to your dad, share me to your people, or if you have a community who's interested to ETFs, cryptocurrencies, or money, or tsismis. Tingin ko, I will be able to like spark their interest. I'm not here to teach them the accurate information or accurate definition of what is cryptocurrency. Ituturo ko lang sa inyo yung nalalaman kong tsismis, then kayo na bahala i-prove kung totoo ba. Okay, let's talk about this. Okay, so okay, makita na natin yung mga buying zones ko, pero for me, I think we're not going down 59k for now. Okay, it needs to support the 59k, give us a very good bounce, like 2 bounces before we crash down, because it will try to form a very good structure for alts to give them a signal na okay, we're not holding it anymore. Okay, if the BTC is already 72k, why the alts are not pumping still? Okay, so yun yung sinasabi ko. I think the market is going to pop off or have a maximum interest, and retail will be interested if the market starts to get to 73 to 74k. Okay, so ito yung mga data na nakita ko. Okay, magugulat kayo kung saan tayo month magiging super bearish, and it will be really good for us to be bearish on that month. Okay, and magugulat kayo sa pwedeng potential top ng market na to on that certain quarter lang. Okay, we're talking about Q2. Okay, we're just talking about Q2, and I'm surprised as well because I was really expecting the Q4. Q4 is the start of the bull market, and here we are right now. Crazy money, dumb money, smart money combined. All retail money, smart money, institutional money, banks money are inside this market already. They're playing. Okay, it's very evident din yun na ako kailangan hingan ng information or accurate information for this. Guys, kailangan nyo nang gumising. Okay, so now, ito yung mga dapat nating aabangan pala for this week. So, una dyan is yung sa Tuesday, which is bukas sa US. Okay, bukas, umagang-umaga, they will be talking about the CPI, okay, the cut rates, okay? Then, yung pangalawa natin is yung Thursday, US PPI for February. Okay, so, ngayon, pupukusan muna natin yung usapan sa CPI natin, okay? Balik tanaw lang tayo para sa mga bago na nandito. Kasi nakita ko ang dami nag-subscribe. Ayan. Big shoutout sa mga bagong subscribers natin. Dito si Brent Elwin. Big shoutout kay Donald Trabucon. Big shoutout kay Kevin Martinez. Ayan. So, yung mga nag-share ng live natin, big shoutout sa inyo guys. Konti lang yung nag-share. Although, okay, please, share nyo ako. Like, subscribe. Kung nasa shorts kayo, na-discover nyo ako, edi, guys, please, you just have to, please, click that channel, click yung channel, tas manood kayo ng live mismo dun sa channel ko. Wag dyan sa may shorts kasi hindi nyo makikita ng malinaw yung screen. Okay, wait lang, ayusin ko lang yung live natin. Medyo nasira pala. Nasa na ba yan? Wait lang guys Yan, sabi ko sa inyo, nasisira eh. Yan, so, ito. Uy. Wait lang guys. Yan, lalagay ko siya dito para makita nyo yung mga bagong nagla-like and nagsasubscribe. Okay, so, yun nga. Yun nga yung chismis ko guys. Itong CPI. Alam ko kasi maraming bago ngayon eh. So, all time mga manonood, please like and share. Okay, so, yun. So, guys, wag kayong magme-membership dito. Okay, may nagtatanong na naman. Huwag kayong magpa-member dito guys. Ang gusto kong gawin nyo, punta muna kayo sa Discord. Meron kaming survey doon. Kayo na bahala mag-decide kung gusto nyo talaga. Okay, do all your due diligence, your research, okay, kung paano ginagawa namin dito sa membership. Kasi pag nagpa-member kayo, wala nang balikan. Okay, magiging trabahador ko kayo. Pagtatrabahuhin ko hindi ko kayo, papayamanin. Kayo ang magtatrabaho sa akin. Tapos, poprosesuin nyo yung mga inuutos ko. Okay, ganito niya pala ginagawa yan. Okay. So, gagayahin ko siya. Then, ako mismo hahanap. Ako gagawa ng data na yan. Tapos, okay. Kaya ko na mag-isa. Kahit 1 month pa lang ako na gano'n. Okay, try ko nga mag-isa muna ako. Try ko makahanap ako ng 10x gem. Katulad niya, 20x, makahanap ako ng kaspa na sinabi niya, makahanap ako ng injective. So, it's up to you guys. Okay. So, now, ano nga ba yung CPI? Yun. So, Consumer Price Index. Okay. Napaka-basic nun, guys. I hope you already have that idea. Whether kung nasa likod kayo ng classroom nyo, wala akong pake. Okay, if you really are interested to making yourself rich, okay, you should have this basics of economy information, like economics. Okay, so ngayon, I want you guys to understand. So, ang CPI, ito yung nagme-measure ng inflation. Okay, which tells us, paano ma-explain? Which tells us how much the average price of goods and services are changing over time. Okay, so wala akong information ng calculation paano i-calculate yung inflation na yan. So wag niyo akong tanungin sa math. Okay, so think of it as a way to track how much more or less you need to spend on a same basket. Sabihin natin yung grocery niyo. Isipin niyo na okay, dati 2.5 lang, ngayon 5,000 ang kailangan ko para sa 2 week or quincenas na gastusin ko. Or mas mura pa atang bumili sa karinderya kung kesa magluto, parang gano'n. So those are inflation. Okay, doon papasok yung okay, ayun na pala yun. Okay, so now since we are talking about CPI, Consumer Price Index, okay, I want you guys to also think, okay, na yung hindi ako nandito para sa definition. Okay, I'm just giving you a brief recap. Now, yung economists natin, they're expecting that the CPI is gonna rise by 0.4%. Okay, so nasan yung data natin dyan? Siyempre, may nahanap akong data for that. Okay, so someone is asking, ilan ba yung ini-expect ng mga pro economists, etc., or mga economists, or yung mga nasa yung mga nakatingin sa market. So okay, I'm gonna give it to you, 0.4% compared nung January. Okay, so ano ibig sabihin nun? This means that doon sa average, on average, prices for goods and services increased a bit during nung February. Okay, so since we're talking about the CPI for February, yun yung mangyayari for this coming Tuesday, which is tomorrow here in US. Okay, so the core CPI, which includes, hindi pa pala bukas, actually 2 days pa, kasi ano pa lang dito. Actually tomorrow na, kasi Monday na ng 6 a.m. dito, so yun. So bukas pa pala, so yan, so my bad. Okay. So now let's talk about this means that on average, katulad ng sinabi ko, prices for goods and yung services increase a little bit during nung February. So the core CPI which yun, ini-exclude niya yung volatile items or dinidiscount niya yung items katulad ng food, energy, and is also expected to rise by 0.4%. Okay, so although ganun yung ibig sabihin ng core CPI, pati ito, in-expect ng mga economists na mag-rise to ng 0.4%. So ano ibig sabihin nun? Okay, alam ko, nahihirapan kaya. So, ibibigay ko sa inyo yung ibig sabihin nun. Okay, so if you're a consumer, sabihin na lang natin. Ito, medyo, bigyan nyo lang ako ng chance magsalita kasi nabubulol ako. So, kung consumer ka and you keep an eye on the prices, sabihin natin, pag gising mo, tinitignan mo agad yung market, sabihin natin, or news sa finance, etc., or government. Okay, because takot ka na maapektuhan yung budget mo every week or every month. Okay, not every week, every month. Kasi binabudget mo lahat. Okay, or nasa sakto ka lagi. Mahulugan ka ng piso, alam mo na mangyayari, di ka makakauwi. So, pero if you're an investor, part of VC or etc., blah blah blah. Okay? Anong ibig sabihin nun? So, you watch how the stock market reacts to the CPI report. Okay, it can impact the investment decisions. Ito yung sinasabi ko na more on sentiment. Whether you have the data, if the market reacts positively, then you're toasted. Yun yung sinasabi ko. It doesn't matter. Okay? Because we're now looking at the whole narrative right now is in the sentiment phase. And that's how you want to capitulate a sentiment. Fire with fire. Okay? Now, wait lang, patunongin yung leg ko. Okay. So, now, I want you guys to remember na it doesn't mean that there's inflation. It's a bad thing or it's a bad sign. Okay, since we're increasing by 0.4%, okay, uy, bad na pala yan. Bakit hindi nagka-crash? It's because it doesn't mean it's bad. Okay? But anything too much, okay, is bad. Okay? Or biglaan mong tinaas. That's bad. Yun yung sinasabi ko. But, okay, so tingnan natin yung CME group data for CPI natin. So, medyo kind of funda to. Okay. Pero wag kayo sana ma-board, guys. Okay. So kung makikita natin sa March nitong year na to, okay, so 3% lang yung sinasabi dito. Okay, makikita niyo naman. So 3%. Ito, dito kayo tumingin, guys. 3%. So yan yung 500, 525, 3%. 3% lang yung sinasabi dito na magkakaroon tayo ng rate cut na tinatawag. Okay. In the next meeting by this week, which is Tuesday here in the US. So, yes, in my opinion, tingin ko maganda to. Okay. Paano? Kasi sa ngayon, pero tingin ko, wait lang, nahilito ako, naghahalo sa isip ko. So, tingin ko sa ngayon, maganda to. Okay. Okay, so ngayon, there's a lot of pressure for the Fed to start cutting rates kasi. Okay, yun yung nakikita ko, sentiment-wise. Okay, so whatever magtutuwad si ano dyan, sila Nancy Pelosi, si Biden, magtutuwad sila dyan. Or yung mismong ano ng Fed, sabihin natin, sila Jerome Powell. O kaya, every single country na may central government or reserve, etc. Whatever. Okay? Magtutuwad man sila. Yun lang masasabi ko, guys. Okay? It really depends on how the market will react on the magic number. Okay? Now, ito yung sinasabi ko, medyo funda to. So, kaya medyo nilalagyan ko lang ng bulaklak yung mga salita natin para may interest kayo. Okay, so 3% lang yung sinasabi dito, 'di ba? Na magkakaroon tayo ng rate cut for in or next in the next week. So ang tanong, goods ba 'yon? Yan yung tanong eh. So iniisip ko kasi yung wait lang naalala ko yung mga napanood ko din kanina sa news. May sinabi kasi doon na hindi, mamaya ako na lang explain. Tingin ko masasagasaan naman natin. So, overall sentiment at tsismis lang, pag nakikita ko yung comment dito sa mga CNBC, major outlets, etc. Guys, I want you guys to tadtarin nyo ng heart react yung video para masira natin yung algorithm, guys. Okay. So, overall sentiment natin or tsismis lang natin na nakita natin doon sa mga CNBC, major outlets and yung mga finance na finance news na nakita ko kanina, mga articles, etc. Nakita ko yung mga opinion nila, yung okay, the tao is like really disbelief pa rin. Okay, yun yung nakakatawa, guys. Okay, pinapakita na tayo na dito sa mukha natin. Okay, na dapat negative to. Pero ako, bilang sentimental analysis, okay, doon ako nagle-leverage, guys. Positive talaga. Okay, ang hirap mag-deny. Ang hirap mag-deny. Pag nasarapan mo na, okay, kailangan mo magbobobobohan, guys. Okay, huwag kang masyadong matalino sa market. Okay, kasi gusto mo matuto. Okay, although you know the data, you can read numbers, you can read magtanga-tangahan ka muna. Okay, kasi yung mga tao, nananalo yung mga daga eh. Alam mo yun, ang daming pera ng mga daga versus dun sa mga taong may smart money pero wala pang clear confirmation when to capitulate the market, where to depress the market, where to depress these people, or where to steal money from these rats. Nagigets niyo yung idea na yun? Okay? So, that's the crazy part here. Yun yung sinasabi ko na disbelief pa rin itong mga tao na to na may potential talaga mag-rate cuts na pwedeng mangyari yun anytime. Okay? That's a crazy part here for this month of March. Okay? Diba? Nakakatawang isipin. Okay? Pero try nyo lang, guys. Huwag mo na kayong maging sobrang technical. Huwag mo na kayong maging sobrang alam mo yun. Basahin yung data, makinig kayo ng mga news. Okay? Hindi ko sinasabing consume mo yung news. Makinig ka lang. Tapos may mga magko-comment dyan. Alam mo yun? Kahit yung sa mga YouTube live. Nanonood ako nun sa mga YouTube live. Di pati yung mga Forbes Finance, yung mga Bloomberg, etc. I-play nyo lang yun habang nagcha-charting kayo, guys. Tapos tignan nyo yung mga live comments sa gilid. Makikita nyo doon eh. Although maraming kang i-filter katulad ng mga bias na yung mga maka-republics, etc. Pero makikita mo yung mga matitino doon na nagko-comment. Okay, may mga magaganda silang standpoint eh. Tapos doon mo mali-leverage, okay, these people are really disbelief. Okay, na magre-rate cuts talaga tayo. Okay, magkakaroon talaga tayo ng cut rate sa anytime this month. Okay, so 3% lang. That's the weird point. Okay, yan. So sabi dito, replay na lang ako later, kuya. Yan, so big shoutout sa estudyante nating subscriber yan, si Tilteronis. Yan, work muna daw CJ Brothers. Yung pangit lang sa CPI is para mas bumaba yung CPI percent, i-replace nila yung ibang goods. Let's say rice, ipapalit nila sa bread, etc. So we have this kind of economy strategy na nakikita ko sa mga sa CPI percentage strats na nakikita ko. So this is a textbook strat. Okay, so dun nga din napag-usapan na palitan ng corn yung rice sa Pilipinas. So those are some of the debate during around 2020 during COVID crisis, 'di ba? Kasi nahihirapan sa bigas, sa mahal ng bigas, etc. and everything more than ever right now. Okay, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, guys, gumising kayo, hindi lang sa Pilipinas. Huwag niyo sisihin yung laging government or yung mga taong diyan. Okay, kung sino man. Okay, so ang gawin nyo, sisihin nyo sarili nyo, gawa kayo ng paraan para magising kayo sa dapat nyong gawin. Okay, kung sisi kayo ng sisi, wala kayong magagawa, hindi nyo magagawa ng paraan yung sarili nyo. Okay, so now, okay, dito sa next data natin, okay, tingnan natin to. Yung May natin, meron tayong 25-ish, actually 23.9 na lang. Kanina 24 to, tapos 25 ako, pabago-bago. So 25 na, so 23.9 lang din yung naniniwala for this month. Okay, for na magkakaroon tayo ng cut rate. So is that good? Yeah, the opinion says it's good, guys. Good for the short term. Okay? So March and May, meron ka ng idea na the market's not gonna crash really bad. Okay? Chill ka lang. Okay, chill ka lang. Panoorin mo lang to. Let this play out. Okay? Chill ka lang. Okay? Ano may isa pang sentiment mo? Sinasabi nyo na eh. Okay? Halving. Okay, mag-halving na oh. Chill ka lang, halving pa oh. 'Di ba? Magyayari pa yung halving. Meron ka pang April. 'Di ba? March, April, May. 'Di ba? Now, this is what I'm seeing right now. Okay? This is what the market is trying to say. Okay, 23.9%. Weird. Okay? Though, wait lang. Yun, so, I mean, those are people na nagsasabi na naniniwala sila na magka-cut rates. Okay? 75.4 yung isang data, tapos meron pa tayo dito na isa pang sentiment ko na nakikita, wala na ko ipapakitang info sa inyo, guys, kayo na mag-research. It says here that the market is trying to recover as well, not just the crypto. Okay, ang recovery natin na nangyari na ngayon sa stock market. So, ang tanong doon, are we flowing money from crypto to stock market, or are we flowing from commodities, ETF, other markets to stock market? Ganun ba yan? Parang ganun yung sentiment dyan eh. Pero bumabangon yung stock market natin. Okay? Ang laging indicator na itong mga to is sino magsa-start or magsi-spark nung natin, recovery natin. Yan yung tanong eh. Laging Nvidia, no? Lagi yan ang tinitingnan nila. Okay, nagpump na Nvidia, most probably lahat magpa-pump na. Okay, sinong pinaka-demonyo sa lahat ng investors ngayon na alam lagi yung mangyayari? Hindi naman sa tsismis lang to, guys. Huwag niyo sabihin baka inaakusahan ko yung Vice President ng US. Okay. Sabihin natin, sige na, mag-name drop tayo. Sabihin natin si Nancy Pelosi. Okay, si Nancy Pelosi, okay, may parang insider trade siya, which is illegal yan, guys. Okay, every time na may magpa-pump, nandun na siya, tapos nagbebenta siya. Okay, dinideclare ng SEC yun, public record yun eh. Okay, pero delay. Siyempre protection. Pero, isa sa pinaka nakakatawang na gem call ko sa fiancé ko is yung isang asset na ito. Wait lang ano nga yung asset na yun? Nalimutan ko. Teka lang, guys, titignan ko, hanapin ka. Nalimutan ko, hindi kasi ako maka-traditional eh. Yun, so isa doon is yung Palo Alto. Okay, Palo Alto Networks. Okay, and Palo Alto Networks is heavily heavily is heavily into cybersecurity. That's their main purpose. Okay? Yun. So, isa din yung SoFi. Isa din yung SoFi doon. So, isa sa mga magagaling. Pangalawa sa nakikita kong magagaling talaga sa stocks ngayon, maaga. Okay, big shoutout sa baby girl ko, kay Maria. Okay. Guys, is ARK Investment. Ewan ko sa akin nakatingin. Guys. Okay. Yung PAN W or Palo Alto, guys, grabe. Grabe talaga yung niya. Yung pinump niya noong December. Tapos, parang nakakatawa lang na itong si Nancy Pelosi, ang aga. Nandun agad siya, guys. Guys, nandun talaga siya agad. Okay, nandun agad siya, tapos kinrush niya yung market na yan. Automatically. Okay, nandun na siya nung hanggang January. Okay, meron siya mga initial sell. Pero napag-alaman, nung November pa lang, December, nandyan na siya sa loob. Hanggang nung January, nag-try na siya magbenta-benta. Tapos hanggang nag-crash yung Palo Alto Networks nung February. Okay, now, we're seeing higher highs and lower highs doon sa mga ganitong assets. Okay? We're talking about cybersecurity, guys, ha? Okay? So, this kind of narrative in the we can also try to replicate this in cryptocurrencies. Okay? Then, I give you this. Okay? Don't say no. Okay? Binigay ko to sa inyo, guys. Okay? Sell. Diba? Binigay ko sa inyo, CELL. Sabi ko sa inyo, guys, magpapump talaga yung mga ganitong assets. Okay? Maliban doon, nagbigay pa ako sa mga nasa Ngayon, ano pa yung mga asset na yun? Diba? Nagbigay ako sa inyo Fort. Okay? Doon sa mga members, nagbigay ako sa inyo ng 7x and 8x sa inyo. Ano yun? Ano yung mga asset na yun? So, isa doon, binigay ko din yung GAL. Okay? Security, cybersecurity, trying to provide security, web security, blah, blah, blah. Anything like that. Okay? ICP, ano pa? I give you yung OPSEC. Binigyan ko kayo ng OPSEC. Guys, kung makikita niyo yung OPSEC, talaga. Hindi ako nang hype, hindi ako pero sinabi ko lang, huwag niyo nang pasukin yan, guys. Hanap na ulit tayo ng bagong asset. Okay, may bago akong narrative na nakikita. Sinabi ko na rin yan dun sa members natin. Dalawang narrative will play out together in order for us to flow. So, syempre, paano mo ibubus ang isang narrative kung wala tong narrative na to? Okay? So, that's how we play here in the market. Okay? We're not like, oh, okay, shit token, meme coins, etc. I already gave everyone a hint na we're in the meme season already. Sinabi ko, oy, nagpump si ganito. Magpapump na tong Shiba Inu, magpapump na tong Pepe. Then everyone came in na nasa members. Then they enjoyed 7x profit. Staggering profits. Grabe yun, guys. Okay? Like immediate calls. Hindi ko sinasabi na gem call yun. Hindi ko sinasabing yun. Okay, I'm just giving them some hints and narratives dahil natututo sila sa membership. Ginagawa nilang ng action. Okay, nasa sa kanila pa rin yung action. Wala sa akin. Okay. So, isa sa mga proof nun na nandito talaga tayo is yung ito. So, yun ang question, pinost ko yun dito eh. So, ito. So, yan. On March 5, 2024, this is my proof. Yung mga sinasabi nyo, meme coins season, etc. No, it's not meme season already. It's meme season for you. Okay? Because ngayon pa lang kayo papasok. Okay? So, we've been there. Before the market pump, with a single indicator, I was able to find these assets. Okay, na I know that it will pump. So, I heavily bagged these. Okay, 88 million SHIB was sold. 100 M Pepe was sold. We nearly sold the top. Okay, so with SHIB, we really sold the top. Sa Pepe, we nearly sold the top. Same with Bonk. We were able to sell the top. Okay? But we were early. We were not just like, oh, okay, Okay, you guys are our liquidity here inside the membership. Okay, but it takes time to learn this. Okay, hindi to basta-basta na pag-subscribe mo matututo ka na agad, hindi. Okay, pag-aaralan nyo to. Time in the market with timing in the market is very important, powerful tool para kumita kayo ng ganitong kalaking pera. Okay, di ko sinasabing malaking pera na to, pero this is a very important weapon. Tapos yung pera na to magiging bala mo para makabili ka ng mga totoong asset na talagang magsistay in the market. You know, so now let's talk about the market right now with the sentiment, guys. Okay, so tapos sabihin natin sa June, kung titingnan natin, okay, ito na yung nakakagulat na data. Let's talk about June. Medyo nagbago yung sentiment na nakikita niyo to. May mga unsure, may mga sure, may mga whatever. Okay. So, June, kung titingnan natin, may belief na naman sila na 57-ish na may cut rates tayong mangyayari for June. Pero ang nakakatawa is June ba yan, guys? Okay, huwag kayong magmadali. Okay. Ganun yung nangyari sa atin eh. Nagmamadali tayo sa pullbacks, hindi tayo nakasakay. Yan tuloy, hindi tayo nakasakay. We keep on asking for pullback. We did not even check the sentiment. Let's not miss the sentiment again. This is our very best chance to take advantage of the market sentiment. Okay, we're seeing sentiments already in our faces right now. This is not just merely data. This is not data. Okay? Okay, read. You need to read. Okay. Okay. Magandang night. May favorite ako. So, yun, Shotty. Kumusta? Yan, paring Shotty. Pati sila, paring Pito, nandito pala. Yan, big shoutout sa inyo, guys. Oh, yan. Yan, so, yan yung mga nagsasubscribe sa atin, guys. Big shoutout. Pati itong Maikong Nguyet. Sino to? Anyways. Yan, so guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share. And kung nasa May Shorts kayo, lumipat na kayo dito sa channel natin. Mag-direct live kayo para ma-hit niyo yung like, pati yung heart button natin diyan. Tadtarin niyo ng madami, guys. Okay. So, let's proceed to our data here on June. Sa nakikita ko nagpapile tong nagpapile lang tong Fed dun sa Fed na tinatawag na cut interest rates. So it means lang na kung yung market natin hindi naniniwala na magka-cut rates tayo in a while longer, okay, meron tayo kasi March, May, April, April, May, June, okay, ang tagal-tagal pa, okay. So does that support the technical analysis? Syempre, hindi ka pwede sentimental ka lang. Kailangan mo lumipat ng funda. Ito, may funda ka na. Okay, anong next mo? Kailangan mo ng technical analysis. Let's go back to the very basic. Okay, go back to the very basic. Okay, now, ano yun? Ano yung basic? Okay, which is technical analysis. You need to really read ABC 1, 2, 3 like alphabet in trading, which is technical analysis. Okay, so, it means ang nakikita ko lang, pag kinumbahin ko lahat yon. Okay, let's go back to the technical analysis here. It says here, if June, May, June, we're actually trying to top already. Okay, according to the fractal. Okay, I know it's crazy. Yun din ang sinabi nyo. There's no volume already. There's no volume already and we cannot top the market. Okay, I already stopped that kind of bearishness already since nung nag-53K tayo. I already flipped my switch. But I need to study why am I bullish talaga. Am I just following the rats? Am I just following the people? Actually, I'm not following the rats. Everyone is keep on being bearish. Okay, and I see that, oh, okay, the smart money and some of the, dumb money are staying in the whatever the limbo rock is on right now. And the limbo rock is Sol. Okay, Sol gambling, Sol shitcoin, Sol bots. Every single money is in Sol. Okay, the question is how we can drive that money back to cryptocurrency itself. Okay, hindi kinonsidong cryptocurrency yung sol, no? Hitera putek. Sabi natin ganito, paano mo i-drive yung funny money na yan, yung dumb money na yan, at yung quick money na yan, pabalik sa Bitcoin, sa cryptocurrency na totoong nagmo-monetize talaga ng every single blockchain, every single interoperable na pwedeng hagudin ni Bitcoin, since may inscriptions, meron ng ORD, meron ng whatever the ecosystem of Bitcoin in the future, etc. Paano natin i-drive yung pera na yon? Para paano mako-convince yung mga tao na to para ma-drive natin tong pera na to pabalik doon sa Bitcoin? Okay. So yun yung mga question sa utak ko. Isa yun sa mga na tanong ko. Paano natin? Kasi isa yun sa mga perang tingin ko magpapabulwak ng Bitcoin. Kasi itong mga nasa sol, tingin ko nakaabang lang talaga sa price ng Bitcoin. Hindi sila nagpa-participate. Most of these people are not participating because they don't want to connect to Bitcoin. Makikita niyo yun, guys. Wala silang masyadong alam mo yun, wala man lang silang network na nagko-connect sa Bitcoin. But anyways, okay, wala silang masyadong ganun. But wala silang masyadong ganung project wherein yung DOT, yung mga Ethereum trying their best to really stimulate the Bitcoin because they really know that Bitcoin will drive the prices of the alts up, except for Bitcoin dominance. Of course, we want the Bitcoin dominance going down. Bitcoin up equals altcoin season. Diba? Very easy formula for a market bullish sentiment. Okay, but let's go with to our topic kanina. Katulad ng sinabi ko, good sign yun. Pero sabihin lang natin na mag-cut rate tayo by May, which meron tayo for now is 25%. Okay, yung naniniwala na magre-rate cut tayo. Then 75% yung positively be surprised. Yung tingin ko, baka surprise to, maso-surprise to mga to. Nasaan na ba yan? Yung data na yan. Wait lang. Yan. So, 23% to 75% yung mga maso-surprise. Okay. Sabihin natin, tingin ko positively surprised to mga to. Tapos magko-convert sila into from bearish to bullish or to neutral to bullish. Okay? Yun yung nakakatawa dito. You know why? It's because May pa lang to. You know why? It's because hindi pa to yung talagang there could be like slight retracements. But how I see it is May is going to be something that is going to push the market up further if the federal will mess up really bad and producing numbers here. Tapos ma-assess natin as positive. So katulad ng sinasabi ko sa inyo, pag nag-stockpile talaga yung kanilang yung mga numbers nila dito, tapos lumabas na parang parang positive yun although fundamentally negative yun, guys. Nag-cut rate nga di ba? Tanga ka ba sabihin sa ng mga fundamentalist? No. Okay, it really depends. Like I said, 80% ng mundo tanga talaga. Okay, isa na ako doon. Okay? Kasi gusto ko talagang ganun. Doon natin malalaman kung saan gusto pumunta ng pera. Then until this 20%, these people or 20% of the world, okay, will try to submit. Okay. So ano yung mga example niyan? So sabihin natin, okay. For the first time in history in stock, we liquidated a VC na malaki ang pera, tapos may mga nang bail out sa kanila. So ano yun? Yun yung sa 'di ba, sa GameStop. So hindi ko na papahabain. Research nyo na lang, panoorin nyo na lang yung Dumb Money na movie. You will understand. So isa yon na it is really possible that the rats will win. Okay, lalo na pag nanalo ang sentiment over fundamental technical analysis and whatever. Okay, then the market psychology will be the second person who will be able to the first person who will be able to catch the wave. Parang ganon. So, yun yung sinasabi na natin dito. 75%. The 75% of the people mako-cut off guard in a positive sense. At kung may ilang bear dito na 74 to 75%, okay, na to, sabi natin, or neutral, mako-convert sila. Kasi malakas yung influence ng Fed ngayon sa current market sentiment, which also means if that can induce positive outlook, katulad ng sinasabi ko kanina, this number is just numbers. Okay? Because it happened last month. It happened last year. what what makes us think that this will break kung wala pa tayong masyadong nakikitang numbers except for June. Katulad na to, fat number to. I'm not body shaming, pero I'm just saying, fat number to, 54.6. Okay, ito yung mga taong na dito sa other side, 30.4%. Then meron ka 14.5. So, what now? Yung question, meron kang 0.4. Anong yun? So, we're saying that June might be the part where everything, like, we can put another sentiment or another narrative na, okay, we need to lang, kalma lang guys, masyado ng pumping to ha. Crypto pa ba to? So, baka shitcoin na to guys. Parang ganun. So, doon natin malalaman. So, now, but the market says different, no? Technical analysis says here, we're going 150 by June, then we retrace if we want to dump the market, diba? June tapos July, we find the bottom again. Then let's see if this market will give us a hint if we're really topping somewhere here or somewhere there. Layo pa guys, layo pa to. There's a little bit more push. Then this one, there's a lot of room to push it. Now, okay, let's say June, mag-sideways tayo dito matagal. Okay. We have a fair numbers to buy. Meron tayong buy 1, buy 2, buy 3. Pero meron tayong bias buy na tinatawag, which is yung recent dumps, no? 60, 59, 58, 60, 61, 62. Yung mga flash crash. We want to fill those gaps. Okay? We want to fill those negative gaps with a positive gap na pagkadikit dun, pump. Diba? Tapos masabi mo, oy, lower low. Okay. From my previous low na sabihin natin, okay, 59,961. Diba? Boom. Biglang, hindi man lang nag-59, nag-60k lang, guys. Okay? So, yan, may nagtatanong dito, anong price target mo sa multivac? Guys, hindi ako titigil hanggat hindi nakakabalik sa all-time high yung multivac. Okay, tulog lang yung CEO niyan, guys. Tatamad-tamad. Pero, pag nagising yung CEO niyan, ako, sinasabi ko sa inyo. Okay. Pag sinipag ulit yan, yun lang ang problema dyan sa CEO na yan eh. Pero maganda yung project ng multivac. Okay, pero matalino kasi yung CEO niyan. Nag-work lang siya. Okay. Alam ko medyo masamang attitude and behavior yun, pero ginaganahan lang siya mag-super work, yun ang sabihin natin. Mag-super work lang yan pag part na ng narrative siya. And magaling siya mag-navigate ng narrative. Hindi siya magsasayang ng energy, hindi siya magsasayang ng pera para lang sabihin sa inyo na nagwo-work yung project niya. Yun yung understanding ko nung back in 2000s and 2021, and hindi ko siya pinakinggan kasi nga ayaw ko ng ganang attitude, pero it really works for him. It works with that project and everyone's like really believing, and parang may kulto na sa loob. And isa na tayo doon sa nakikisama doon sa kulto, yung pumupuslit tayo doon sa Bohemian Grove nila, di ba? Tapos nakikisamba tayo doon sa owl nila, pero yun yung nangyayari sa kanila ngayon. Pero yun nga, so katulad ng sinabi ko, saan na ba ako nahinto? Yun nga, yung positive outlook for this whole month, the coming month, and until June. Before June, I mean. Not until June. Okay? So, then, we can start a new major pump or major pumps as short term for now. Okay, maybe we could retrace first before we can do a short term pump until May, June, May, before May, sabihin natin, what are the possibilities that the Bitcoin ETF was approved, tapos we sold the news for a couple of weeks, we went down, diba? 3, 6, 9, 12, 14, so 2 weeks until we found the bottom, then we drastically pump. Okay, so what are the chances on May na mag-dump tayo, tas ilang weeks lang, mga 2 weeks lang, we go up again. Then we see this rejections, which is the previous highs. But the total high that we're seeing here, sabihin natin, by September is 242. Okay, 242, which is a funny number as well. 240,2069. Pwedeng ganon. 204,420,69. 240,420,69.69. I don't know, world is funny. It's all about numbers sometimes, and they wanna mess up with the numbers and make it look funny. It's funny. Okay? So, ano pa yung mga isa kong sentiment if we're just looking about the news, okay? Ang nakikita ko dito is yung we are now breaking years and years and years of cycle ng BTC. Dahil sa mga pinagsama-samang mga news katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, yung BTC, ETH, ETF, Fed sentiment, Insti money, retail money, funny money, dumb money, okay, everything on a halt yung sa retail, alam mo yun, expecting for a slight pullback, tapos alam mo yun, now that we are napo-FOMO na naman sila to get in, I think the smart money is just waiting for the retail money to get in and be FOMO'd in, tapos we make a full 13% dump or 15% dump to our all-time high. Okay, that's very possible, okay, because that's very eminent and repetitive sa market. Like every time we see a major pump, we see a very cute 15 or 10 to 15% rejection or healthy retracement, which is my good indicator for us to, okay, let's do it, maybe we can get in. Then let's see if ganun yung nangyari doon sa sell the news, buy the rumors, sell the news. Okay, meron 22% din. Wait lang, hindi sakto siguro. Ayan, makikita na natin ang sobra. So, ito, dito natin saktohin. Tapos, 20% din. So, we're playing around those numbers. So, 10 to 20. So, bigyan natin ng 10 to 20. Okay, kung ma-reject. Okay, but I think rejection may be really near. Okay, probably next week. Okay, we see a 24% or 59 to 60k. So I'm betting on a 15% drop from the all-time high. Wherever the all-time high, 15%. I think it's a very safe already. But we don't just want to get in once na nag 15% drop na. You can for BTC, but with the alts, I don't think that you should go in. It's not a financial advice. What I always see is we are going to reset the narrative. That's how I was able to find shit tokens. Okay guys, ito na, shit tokens narrative na kasi ito yung nangyari. So ganun ko lang, sentiment. Okay, hindi ko gustong ganun yung nangyayari. I'm just reading it. Kung anin nyo ko, ipa-persecute nyo ako about that, go, feel free to persecute. Okay, it just works for me. It works for us in the membership. Okay, mga nasa members. It works for us. Ba't ko babaguhin yung sarili ko, guys? Kahit paulit-ulit ko itong sabihin sa inyo, guys, at paulit-ulit siyang gumagana, ba't ko babaguhin yung sarili ko para lang para i-savor lang yung mga opinion nyo? Okay? Opinion nyo yan, guys. Okay, feel free to savor it. Then, stay poor kung hindi nagana yung opinion na yan. Pero kung gumagana, then stick to it, improve it, then keep on using it as a weapon. Okay? Then, I'm doing it the same thing as well for us. Okay, so now, another news yung mga nakita ko din. Yung distribution lately ng mga FTX victims. Parang sako na lang yun. Yung mga FTX victims like Celsius, 3 Arrows, etc. Yung mga ipinasara neto FTX. Okay, but as we are now in the 72k, I think nag-i-ease up na rin yan eh. Okay, yung the PTSD na sinasabi, wala na. Okay, I think nalulunasan na. Huwag lang magbigyan ulit ng pwede yung mag-trigger. Okay, pwede mag-relapse yung mga yan. Okay, kasi na-receive na nila yung pera nila. Most of them are receiving their money. Okay, I'm not saying everyone kasi kami hindi pa namin nare-receive yung pera namin. Hindi naman kalakihan. Okay, hindi naman namin sinasabing milyon-milyon yon. Okay, but with all over the starting from Luna until the crash we had, it's more than we can bear off. Yun na lang sasabihin ko. We cannot sleep because of that. Okay, hindi kami makatulog. Okay, we should have been better. Okay, we should have stayed in the market, not in the P2E, and we could have actually seen everything, at least somehow. Okay, but I'm proudly to say to you guys, nung nangyari yun sa Luna, hindi ko na kayo pinaano sa FTX, hindi na tayo naloko sa FTX, and hindi na tayo naloko sa mga ano. Okay, so hindi ko lang nabantayan yung fiancé ko. So, but she's really good at trading right now with the futures and everything. She's teaching me right now most of the 15-minute time frame trades, etc. Sobrang lakas ng strategy niya. So, yan, inaaral ko ngayon, and I'm really learning a lot. So, guys, let's talk about this new thing. Okay, so but remember, this most of these are data printed pa. Okay, so it means most of these are sentimiento pa lang. Okay, wala, especially yung sa CPI interest rates. Okay, ano ko lang sa inyo yun, disclaimer ko lang. Okay, pero ang tanong, sell the news ba? So, hindi ko alam. Yun yung hindi ko alam. Hindi ko masasabi yun sa inyo, guys. Okay, kasi yung sa natin, sa ETF natin, sa BTC, mali ako ng hula na marireject, etc. Pero alam ko na hindi magre-react yung market really nice. So, that's why we sold the top, most of the assets there. And the only bad thing that we did is we keep on navigating the lows. Okay, hindi tayo nakinig sa sentiment. We got stuck with the fundamentals, and that's the bad thing there. Okay, then na-cloud yung opinion ko. So now I'm being strong with my opinion, and how I see the market, and I'm giving you guys recently accurate na ulit tayo. Okay, we're getting our feedback back on our feet. I mean, sa mga recent natin shot calls, and we are making a lot of money. Now, I want you guys to read this. Okay, so owning the average home in 2024 now requires income of 106,000. Okay, this is evident inflation. Okay, why? It's because just from 4 years ago, we needed 59,000 in income to afford the average home. So that's 47,000 or 80%. 47,000 or 80% increase in income from 2020, while wages are up just 23% over that time. Okay, currently the median household income in the US is $75,000. Sakit, legit to guys. In other words, the median houses or the household income used to be 27% above the income needed to afford a home. Wow. Now, the median household income is 41% below in the income needed to afford a home. Okay, so housing affordability is horrible at best. So, tingnan nyo to. Okay, but this doesn't indicate any housing crash again, etc. Like I said, guys, it's not gonna happen again. I think they found a cheat code already, and it's gonna be different this time. Okay, and the dot-com bubble, hindi na ulit. Housing so far, hindi na ulit. COVID-19, hindi pa naman na ulit. Hopefully, wag maulit. Okay, so what's the next? Okay, but we're just looking at this is because we're looking at inflation. Okay, so yun lang. I want you guys to look at that. Tapos tingnan nyo itong post ni Washington Post. Inainis ako dito talaga. Buisit talaga to si Biden eh. Okay, so sabi dito, the proposals will provide middle class first-time buyers with 5,000 per year for 2 years. So meron silang 10,000. Okay, that would have the same effect. We're lowering buyers' mortgage rate by more than 1.5% points for 2 years on the median home, and according to the White House. So, hindi ko na sasabihin ko sino yung weak men and strong men here, okay? Ito lang sasabihin ko sa inyo, guys. Pag binigyan nyo ng kapangyarihan ng weak men, okay, this is what happens, okay? But if you give the power to the strong man, he will take accountability and provide to its nation, okay? Anyways, these are example of reasons ng taong gustong mag-print. na magprint. So, while the other presidents is, sabihin yung other president, which is yung previous president that we have right now, okay, is nung termo na niya, he is trying to provide security to the country, securing what is for the America, and making sure that whatever is for America remains for America only. Then, ngayon, most of it are being given away already. From tender, printing money, to oil, okay? Yung sinecure nating mga inflation rates, pinababa natin. We made sure everything is like gonna be slow climbing up, hindi yung boom, lipad. Whatever the kung ano yan, COVID-19, whatever. Okay. So, including energies, di ba? And massive printing na hindi mahanap natin kung nasaan itong pera na to. So, ito matatanong ano magsasalba ng pera mo Okay? So, dito papasok na Bitcoin will prevail. Whatever these stupid leaders or this galing-galingan na leaders o mga magagaling na leaders or mga siraulang leaders or mga matatalinong leaders, okay, whatever they do for the world or to their countries or gawin nilang one world leader, etc. Kung ano man plano nila, okay, God is the master planner. He's the chess master here. Kung nakikita nyo, umuwi pa rin lahat doon sa idea ng Bitcoin. And now, the government is trying to meddle and dip their toes in the Bitcoin. So, doon dapat may idea na kayo. Ano ba dapat hawakan ko? Sol? Ethereum? Diba? DAT? Injective? Ano pa dapat? Shiba Inu? Diba? But what I know is one of the first ETFs is Bitcoin. Diba? 2013. GBTC, diba? It will still fall into decentralization. Whatever these people are trying to do, globalization, tapos one world order, new world order, and one leader, one government, it will always fall into decentralization. Okay, kahit sabihin natin, mga countries na ngayon, communist, di ba? Ano nangyayari? Nanlalaban yung mga tao. They always fall into decentralized. Mamubuo yung mga yung mga maliliit na paksyon ng mga tao na hindi naman nagka-connect kasi nga kinakat off yung communication, but they will be eventually decentralized. They will be connected to each other, trying to transfer all the power equally to certain parts of the country, then into changing whatever from communist to whatever. So I don't know, but let's review what here. So sabi Biden proposes 10,000 tax breaks. Yun yung sinabi ko, 5,000 per year, so for 2 years, so that's gonna be 10,000. Then we have all of this data, etc. So hindi ko naman gusto sabihin sa inyo guys na magbubul-bul-bul lang tayo guys, okay, or up lang tayo. Hindi yung sinasabing ganun guys. Anything can happen, okay. At isa yun sa mga sinasabi ko guys. Okay, but in history, okay, when we printed money, okay, sabihin na natin yung pinaka-recent na lang ha, hindi na ako manlalaban sa inyo. Ito yung strategy na gagawin ko based on my history and based on my learnings. Every time US prints money, a lot of money, and try to put it as stimulus, mamigay ng pera sa mga tao, sa mga illegal, sa mga kung sino-sinong tao dito sa US, okay, tapos hindi naman ako makatanggap, diba? Hindi ko mailagay sa Bitcoin, diba? Ganito gagawin ko. Sabihin natin, may USDT ako. Malaki-laki USDT ko. Mag-print sila ng pera. Okay? We wait lang ako 30 days. 15 to 30 days. 1 month. Tsaka ako papasok sa market. Okay? Nung nag-print tayo ng pera, dito pa lang nag-print na tayo ng pera. Okay? Dito. Sa March. Tapos, dito. March. Tapos, nag-declare COVID. Tapos print ulit, dito print. Tapos bilang ka lang ng 30 days, 15 days. March 13, 16, tapos recovery. Ayan. That's dito. Dapat makakabili-bili ka na dito. Ito na yung may reaction na yung market, no? na yung most of your alts are already reacting. So, makikita nyo yun sa mga alts. Try nyo na i-backtest. Okay, so isa yan sa mga data pa lang. So, it's up to you to research your own. Okay? Whenever the market is trying to, US is trying to print a lot of money, what happens to the market? Yes, of course, it will crash for a month. Then, there will be like recovery. Then, the question is, when are you going to get into the market? Okay? So, yun yung magandang tanong. Okay? So, nag-49 viewers tayo guys, pero 32 likes lang. So, sayang. So, sana magbigay sa inyo ng gem, pero kikip ko muna. Bigay ko sa mga members natin. Tapos gumawa ako ng document kanina. So, I hope you guys, understood whatever I said today. Okay, tinry ko siyang maging exciting and alam mo yan, jolly yung idea, hindi yung boses ko, pero yung placement ko ng ideas dito. But, guys, kung may mga tanong kayo, tatry ko mag-invite pa ng mga tao dito. Okay, hindi ko sasabihin na sobrang accurate mag-invite ako. Pero sinasabi ko lang guys, so I am trying to talk to this person, hindi siya message sa atin. Okay, hindi niya tayo nabalikan. Siguro busy din tong taong to. May sarili siyang YouTube channel. So, let's see. Okay. So, papakawalan ko yung document muna sa mga principalities. Okay? Kasi, baka ma-FOMO-in kayo. Okay? Tapos pumasok kayo agad, diba? Tapos mali na naman tayo, kasalanan ko na naman. So, I want you guys to rethink. Okay? So, isa sa, sige, bibigyan ko kayo ng isang asset. Guys, binigay ko yung Unibot. Okay? Binigay ko yung Unibot sa inyo ng bahagya lang. Okay? So, sinabi ko bago mag-March, Unibot will play a major role in the market. Walang nakakapansin. Okay? Kasi lahat nasa Sol. Pero, now that Ethereum is having a lot of updates, okay, yun lang masasabi ko. Okay, let's research about Unibot. Okay, let's see. Unibot tayo. Unibot. Okay. Now, we have Unibot here. Okay. I'm gonna buy Unibot right now. Okay. Whatever's going on with Unibot right now, I'm not gonna be scared. Okay. I just trust the process. I just trust the process. It's really crazy to do this. Do not copy my trading strategies, guys. And it's giving me a lot of signals already. I've been waiting for this opportunity. Now that the opportunity is right here, I've been asking for this level. I've been waiting for this level. It's already here. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it, guys. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna heavily buy this. Then, let's see. Let's see, kasi bawal to sa US. Pero, marami akong binibigay na asset na hindi pa pwede sa US. Nakakainis. Gusto ko nang lumipat, guys, mag-Japan. Pero, yun. So, let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen. I will update you guys on this one. Huwag kayo maunang bumili sa akin. Mas malaki pera niya sa akin. Ako muna. Okay, kalma lang kayo. Ako muna. Okay, kasi mamaya mali. Magbaba pa. Sorry. Okay, at least ako lang yung mali. So, paper trade lang, guys. Kaya lang kayo sa paper trade. Wag totoong pera. So, thank you so much, guys. And, do you have questions? May mga tanong pa ba kayo, guys? I hope I was able to give you guys. Okay. I hope I was able to give you guys good information today that will spark your interest. Okay. Sinasabi mo pa lang sa live, eto na ako, siraulo ka talaga, Jones. Inunahan pa nga. Visit. Okay, so, guys, wag niyong bilhin. Guys, wag niyong bilhin. Hayaan niyo to mga members na to, baliw to mga to eh. Okay, nagsusunog to ng pera, guys. What is money? Paper only sa kanila. So, hayaan niyo na sila, wag niyo silang gayahin, guys. Okay, so, paper trade lang kung gagaya kayo. Okay, it's not a financial advice. Tsismis lang ang lahat ng yon. Kailangan nyo pa rin aralin, planuhin, at kilusan ng sa gayon. Ang lahat ng ito ay ating makamtan. At syempre, stay awesome. goodbye, guys. Thank you so much, guys, and have a great night. Stay safe with your trades. Trade at your own risk and do your own research. Huwag kayong padalos-dalos. No emotional trading, guys. You know, like, guys, chill. Okay? Chill, guys, chill.